Uh, okay. So, first I'll say what will happen with stellar mass black holes. So, we were to jump into a stellar black hole. The gravity on our legs would be stronger than the gravity on our head and our upper body. So basically, we'd get really stretched, and that process is called spaghettification. But if you're lucky enough to fall into a supermassive black hole, you wouldn't immediately die, and you would enter the event horizon. And okay, so from an outside perspective, if someone watched you falling into a supermassive black hole, all they would see is like you falling in, but then you would like you'd become very slow, and you would get slower and slower until you freeze just at the event horizon, and then your body will become increasingly redshifted until you just cease to exist, and you never, for that person, you never reach the event horizon.
And I
But
have one more doubt.
for
And
your
I have one more doubt. And I have one more doubt.
Right.
Why do the black hole came?
What?
Why black hole came in our solar system? That is my question.
Are you asking why black holes exist?
I'm asking why black hole came
Into our solar system?
Yes.
I mean, it could be that a massive star was very close to our solar system, and then it exploded into a black hole. Maybe that's why maybe that's why black holes are close to our solar system.
I have a doubt.
But
I have a doubt.
The thing is, they're not close enough to be a threat to us.
I
have a question.
Yeah, what is it?
I have a question.
My question is that I heard somewhere that if you fall into a black hole, you will just slowly go to the center, and for eternity you'll just be stuck there, and then you cease to exist.
Yeah, I think you will eventually get to the singularity, but it will take a long time if you were in a supermassive black hole.
So for almost eternity you will be stuck in the black hole.
Yeah, but you wouldn't exactly be stuck there for eternity.
I have a question.
Because eventually
I
you would get
I have a question.
I have a question.
I have a question. I have a question.
You can go first.
Yeah.
Okay. So who first saw the black hole?
What?
Who first saw the black hole?
Who first saw the black hole? The thing is, considering that black holes absorb all light, technically no one was the first one. If you're asking about who developed if you're asking about if you're asking about what the first black hole that was observed is, I don't know. I do know that.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have another question.
Yes.
The other question is, how many black holes are in the solar system?
How many black holes are in the solar system? Considering that our Milky Way galaxy is very, very big, there could be hundreds of thousands, and maybe even millions.
Okay.
But that's only for stellar mass black holes. As for supermassive black holes, there might only just be one, and that is.
But Rayan, but there are no black holes in our solar system, but there are many black holes outside our solar system.
Yeah, there are many. There are only a few in our solar system, but they're not close enough to be a threat. And as for how many are in our galaxy, there could be hundreds of thousands or maybe even millions of black holes in our galaxy.
How black holes grow?
How black holes go? So basically, the way black holes go is if anything gets too close to them, they just get ripped apart, and then they go into the black hole, and then the black hole gets bigger.
Can I ask a question?
Yes.
God.
What's the mass of a black hole?
The mass of a black hole can be anything. If you're asking about the mass of the singularity, that is unknown, but some people say that the mass of the black hole singularity is infinite.
Okay.
I have a question.
Yes.
How black hole, black
Yeah.
hole always black hole will be circling like round.
Yeah. It will.
Okay,
Yeah.
and can you
Okay.
say
So
me
basically,
how much days and how much hour to take the black hole to circle?
what? I
How
don't
much
understand.
days and how much hours to take the black hole to
How
circle?
many hours to go around the black hole?
No. How many hours are there to circle the black hole?
If you were directly inside of the event horizon of a black hole, then it could very well just take you 0 seconds or an eternity to go around the black hole. But like if you were outside of the black hole, if it was very big, it could very well take you a couple weeks to like go around the entire black hole at the speed of light.
Okay, and one more. How much solar system are near by the blackboard?
Are you asking how many black holes are near the solar system?
No. I'm asking how much solar system are near to black hole.
I don't understand your question.
I am telling there's a solar no. There's a black hole, okay?
Yeah.
And all the solar and I'm asking like this. Which kind of solar system are near to the black hole? I'm asking
So our solar system is near the black hole. It could be very well like, but it's not too close that the black hole is dangerous to the solar system. As for how many black holes are near our solar system, that's unknown.
Yes,
Alright. Okay, so any other questions?
Can I ask something?
Yeah, sure.
So, how are black holes related to wormholes and time travel?
Okay, so time travel, basically if you go like very, very fast, like if you are able to surpass the speed of light very quickly, like if you are able to go hundreds of times the speed of light, then so basically the world will appear to go slower for you, while the world is for the entire world itself, it will be just normal pace. The thing is, the faster you go, the slower time becomes for you. So like if you were to go hundreds of times the speed of light for say like 1 week, like you would be 1 week behind the current age of Earth. And so yeah, also so if you were to go inside a black hole, like for you, if you were inside of the event horizon and you looked outside of it, all of your loved ones, the entire Earth, the sun, and even the solar system will appear to get destroyed for you. Oh, and then you will just see the universe as like one big sphere, slowly collapsing in on itself into a very tiny point. And then basically, when you cannot see that point anymore, it means you died. But for the world, but for the other people out there, they are not dead and the sun did not explode. That's only for your POV.
So wait. Do you know why this like type of time travel happens in a black hole?
Okay, so that kind of time travel is called time dilation. And basically, if you go very, very fast, like surpassing the speed of light, your time will appear slower than the Earth's time. But basically, if you were to go into a black hole, time and space basically just swap roles. And then basically, like, you'd be going very, very fast inside of the black hole. but the time would appear to stop.
So because you're going so fast,
What is a weather
the
hole?
time would just
As
stop.
for how black holes are related to wormholes, some people theorize that you don't actually die when you get to the singularity. Instead, when you get to the singularity, it will just place you in a different part of the universe or in just a different universe entirely.
What do you say?
I
Wait,
don't know if that's
What is
true.
a weather hole?
Yeah.
What is a weather hole?
What?
I have a
What
question.
is a weather hole?
What?
A weather hole.
Weather hole?
Yes, it is another black hole, but all of the black stuff is changed into white stuff. The
Oh
white
yeah, that's
stuff
called a
turned
white hole. That's a white hole, but we don't know if white holes exist or not. Those are completely hypothetical. But if white holes were real and you were to fall into a black hole, that basically you just appear out of the white hole. Because
wait,
like
Rayan.
while the black hole absorbs stuff into itself, the white hole spews stuff out of itself.
Wait,
So yeah,
Rayan.
white
So
holes are
I
real
want to
stuff.
say something.
Yeah.
First of all, reaching the singularity would already just take like lot of time. But
Yeah,
if
if
you
it
did
was
fall into a black hole, you wouldn't have any oxygen in space, so you would never actually reach there without dying. Well,
yeah.
so it's impossible to
And
actually get
the
out.
thing is, after like, so if you are inside of a white hole somehow, after an infinite amount of time, the white hole would just become a black hole.
I have one more question.
Yeah.
But there's another
Oh my god.
white hole.
Any other questions?
I have.
Okay, what is it?
Did this did the scientists put the black hole or the black hole came it by itself?
What?
The scientists put the black hole or the black hole came by itself.
I think black holes used to exist like at a very early age of the universe. It just took humanity a long time to actually find a black hole.
Okay, and I have
That's
one
what
more
the
doubt.
concept of black hole. The concept of a black hole was made by Albert Einstein.
I have one more doubt. What if we are in solar system, like we are in the rocket and the rock, and we came out of the rocket, and if we saw a black hole, what should we do?
What?
What? See, we are traveling to our solar system.
Okay, so you're saying if there are humans traveling and they suddenly came
like
across
this.
a black hole, what should they do?
Yeah, yes. What should they do? They will run.
Okay,
or...
so if they are very okay, so basically if they are very far away, they should just turn the other way and go away from the black hole.
No. I'm telling not so far. Are
you saying if they were very close to a black hole?
I think that's impossible.
If they are in
Yeah, so basically if you were very close to a black hole and then you realized the black hole was there, the only way you could escape the gravitational pull of it was exceeding the speed of light. But the thing is, humans have mass and only massless objects can go the speed of light, but they cannot surpass the speed of light. So yeah, it's basically impossible to escape a black hole once the gravitational pull is there.
Wait, Rayan. If a black hole is so big that like even if it's far away, it's still so close to you, can even the little amount of gravitational pull you back enough to pull you into the black hole?
I mean, if it was big enough, yeah, maybe it could. But if it was like a stellar black hole and it was light years away from you, you'd be safe.
And I have one more doubt. I have one more doubt.
Okay, you can ask.
See, I have one more doubt.
Yeah.
When the black hole came at 2014 or 2016, when did black hole came?
What?
When did black hole came? It came in 1469 or 2014. When did it came?
Okay, so what was the first option?
Oh,
Can I ask a question?
oh no, I'm pretty sure like
ask a question?
black holes came even before the Earth existed. So you can't really
Yeah, black
say
holes
that.
black holes were formed in the very, very early stage of the universe. Maybe like when it was a couple billion years old.
Wait, my question is that is it possible that a black hole cannot could there be a thing which the black hole cannot swallow?
What?
Is there like a possible item or a thing which the black hole cannot pull it towards its gravitational pull?
It is another black hole.
If something is traveling at a larger speed than the speed of light, yeah.
Yeah, like not about escaping. Like imagine like a particular planet cannot be swallowed by a black hole, something like that.
If you were going faster than the speed of light, there's a chance that you could escape the black hole.
What will happen if
he means like I'm pretty sure like is there something a black hole can't like swallow into?
I'm pretty sure black holes can absorb everything, and
Wait.
But like they can't swallow anything bigger than their
Wait.
mass.
What will happen if a black hole swallows
The only thing I think the black hole cannot swallow is the entire galaxy. Because the thing is, there's no way there's a black hole large enough to just swallow an entire galaxy.
What will happen to a black hole when
Black
it
holes
swallows
cannot
up a
swallow
star?
anything bigger than themselves.
What?
Black
What will
holes
happen
can't swallow anything bigger than themselves, right?
Yeah, if that's if the object is big but still not that big, then
I have a question.
the black hole will eat it. However, when it comes to an entire galaxy, like our Milky Way galaxy, there is no black hole that can like swallow that thing.
My
What
other
about
question is
sun?
I ask a question.
As for a black hole colliding with another black hole, they would just merge.
wait, what will happen if a black hole swallows a star? Like it's like the size of the star, so it managed to swallow it. What will
It
happen
would
to the
be
black
able
hole?
to eat the star.
Wait, will
What?
anything happen like a supernova or something?
Okay, so basically a supernova has like a chance of a black hole being formed in it if the star is massive enough.
I don't get it.
Like
But
how? Like what is? Could anything happen to the black hole if it swallows up a star?
no, the only thing that would happen is that the black hole would get bigger. The thing
So
is,
no chemical reaction.
the stars, the black hole can easily swallow. When it comes to larger stuff like entire nebula and galaxies, it's not going to have enough time to eat the entire thing.
Actually, Rayan, you are correct. Okay, black holes actually can't swallow any galaxy, no matter what.
Yeah, all
even if they're
nebula. It can't absorb any nebula as well.
Yeah.
But the thing
Even
is,
if
like,
it's smaller than themselves, they still can't swallow it because I don't know why.
yeah. So, any other questions?
Can I ask?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, you know what? Someone else is.
Yeah.
Like, so how do like black holes form?
How do black holes form?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going back here, I guess. So, the way a black hole can form is if there's a chance a nebula can become a massive star. And then once that massive star becomes a red supergiant at the end of its life, then it becomes a supernova. And there's two possibilities. If the black hole, so if the star doesn't have enough mass when it supernovas, it becomes a neutron star. But if it has enough mass when it becomes a supernova, it can turn into a black hole. That's how it's formed.
Thank you for watching.
Okay, any other?
I have one more question. What if the black hole swallow all the solar system?
What?
What if the black hole swallow
So what
all
if the black
solar...
hole was the entire solar system?
Yes.
I think it would become bigger.
But how can we save all of our solar system?
You will die no matter what.
Yeah.
You can't.
And
Yeah,
if
but
Earth
that's-
will
anything.
keep shaking. Earth will be
Yeah, but
Earth will keep shaking like this.
yeah.
Earth,
But the thing is,
Earth
you
would
guys
just
might
not
think that there's-
cease to exist.
Yeah. What is
Yeah, I have a question.
it? Yeah, what is it?
Question is size of a black hole. You know that?
Size of a black hole.
Yeah.
The size of a black hole can be anything. It can be like 1 kilogram big, all the way up to like the mass of the entire solar system.
Yeah.
However, there is an upper limit for supermassive black holes, and that is 50 billion solar masses. But the thing is, there's a black hole that somehow surpassed that limit. And that is TUN 618, which has a mass of 66 billion solar masses.
Do we know why?
When you enter the black hole, which mass speed was there?
What?
Yeah. When you enter the black hole,
What happens?
which mass speed?
Okay, so for stellar mass black holes, like if you were to fall into a stellar mass black hole, you would just like die immediately. Like because of spaghettification. Spaghettification is the process of your body just like getting ripped apart. But that's only for stellar mass black holes. If you were to fall into a supermassive black hole, like I think you wouldn't be traveling to the singularity forever. But like it would take a very long time and then you would just die.
Wouldn't you just die in 2 minutes because of there's no oxygen?
Yeah.
Also,
Like a
it's like
danger zone before
3:30.
entering the black hole. I think I've heard like there's like a danger zone before that humans die before entering the black hole.
I have a question.
Can I ask a question?
I have a question.
Okay, you can ask first.
Yeah. This question is when is a black hole have any end?
A black hole will eventually end, but the amount of time it takes is very, very long. For example, hold on. Okay, so for example, TUN 618, the largest black hole ever, will take so long, like it will take the longest to decay. It will take billions of trillions of quadrillions of years for TUN 618 to finally decay into nothingness.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah. So any other questions?
Yeah,
I have a question. So I have.
Yeah.
Okay, Alim, you can ask question. Just a minute. Atmis higher, Cosmos middle, and Brainiacs higher. Please fill the evaluation sheet, please.
Where's the link?
Ma'am, can I leave?
Atmis higher and Brainiacs higher. I already shared it in your class.
Ma'am, when I'm
Just go and take
typing
it from there.
the name of student, it's not coming. When I type Rayan and then when I click somewhere else, it's
Amin, are you here, Amin?
I think it's not published.
Okay, then no
Ma'am,
issue.
can I leave?
Okay, then we can fill it in tomorrow. Okay, no problem. Okay, you can continue the questionnaire session. No problem.
Yeah, I have.
Ma'am, can I leave?
Rayan?
Yes.
Yeah. Can I ask a question? So like,
Yes.
Yes, where is the evaluation sheet?
what would happen if the Earth fell into a black
If it was a stellar mass black hole, the Earth would just get ripped apart and everyone would die. And if we were to fall into a supermassive black hole, it would take longer, but again, we would eventually die.
Ryan, I have a question.
Yeah, okay, ask.
Okay, is there a way we can escape the black hole without dying?
Yeah, there is a way, but that way is impossible unless we're somehow advanced enough in the future. So basically, the only way to escape a black hole is like if you manage to go above the speed of light. But that is impossible. So basically, you're not able to escape a black hole unless you have like more speed than the speed of light. If you're faster than the speed of light, then maybe there's a chance you can escape the black hole.
Okay.
But that is if you're like very close to the event horizon. If you're like nowhere near the event horizon, you can just escape very quick. You can escape without like reaching the speed of light. That is if you don't get hit by the debris in the accretion disk.
Okay. Got it. Thank you.
I have a question.
Yeah, ask.
What if a black hole swallow a moon?
What?
What if a black hole swallow a moon? M-O-O-N, moon.
What if a black hole swallows the moon? Basically the same outcome as if it swallowed Earth. If it's a stellar black hole, then it would obviously just rip the moon to shreds.
I am thinking
if
like
it's
this.
a supermassive black hole, then it would just.
But Rayan,
I am thinking like this. When black
since
holes
we can't actually the Earth would like actually like literally die without the moon. So wouldn't when it swallows a black hole, swallows the moon, the Earth would also like fall
Yeah,
apart.
there's a
because-
possibility if the black hole has more mass than the moon, then the black hole would swallow the Earth as well.
No, like without the moon, there would be insane tsunamis on Earth.
Oh yeah, that's
So-
right. So if a black hole swallows the moon, both the moon and Earth will be destroyed.
Yeah.
Anyways, any other questions?
How?
Or is that it?
How? Can you say how it will destroy?
So basically, like we need the moon. So the moon keeps Earth on an axis, and that's the reason why we're able to live. But if the moon was gone, like the tilt of the Earth would be messed up, and that would cause extreme weathers. Yeah. Anyways, any other questions? Or is that it? Do you guys have any other questions, or is that it? Hello?
That's it, I guess.
Okay. Ma'am, I don't think anyone else has any other question.
Okay, Rayan. So that was a wonderful session. Okay, dear?
All right. Thank you for watching.
Yes, and you answered questions confidently. Okay, so thank you so much, everyone who joined. You can fill the evaluation form tomorrow. Okay, Rayan's name is not added in the list. So thank you all for joining. No, my dear, it's already 3:40. It's going to be 3:40. So please, you can leave. Okay. Thank you so
bye,
much.
ma'am.
Have a
I'm
nice
going
day.
to
everyone.
leave now, okay, ma'am?
Yeah.
It was
all right.
very fun, ma'am. I wasn't expecting to do so
Bye-bye.
good. Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Ma'am, it was amazing.